This is a presentation about our fail-safe waste management for a micro Lunar Loo design concept formulated by Hardy's team August 2020. We have this diagram which shows the three essential parts of the system. There is the toilet itself, which is inside a canopy below, and the collection bag. So I'll explain each of them separately. The toilet itself is a simple bath bench like structure, sturdy, adjustable in height, can take body weight of 300 pounds earth weight, and the legs can be adjusted according to the height of the person, anywhere from 54 inches to 77 inches height of people can, and the user can sit in a squat position or in a straddle position depending on how he wants to use it. There is a provision for a male and female urination. For defecation there is one entry, and the concept of below is to control the sound emanating from the activities in the toilet area, and also to control quality of air by circulating the air through some sort of filter. We suggest charcoal filter here, but we can use any other, and also to avoid any accidents getting out of control. So we have this bag, collection bag, which can be modified for both urine as well as for solid material, for vomit, diarrhea, and menses. The size is the matter, and these are specifically made for microgravity, because microgravity has a tendency for anything to float, whereas the lunar gravity can be handled the way we do it on Earth. That is, there is only one direction, so we don't need any very sophisticated collection bag. So microgravity, we have this bag which is multi-layered. It's made in a very certain way. There is a provision for air circulation which acts under the Marangoni convection effect, which puts anything getting into a position where it cannot get out. So this poop bag has also a skirt, this wavy line, and it is adhesive, and it is put on the in here on this side, and it helps in ensuring that nothing gets out beyond the bag. More specifically, this gives you an exploded view of the loo. This is a revolving loo seat which can revolve. There's a pulley, and it's pumped by manually, and it circulates the air. With 6 strokes, it can circulate 100% of it. The size is somewhere in the vicinity of 54 cubic feet. Our toilet is only 2.7 cubic feet, 24 inches long, 10 inches wide, 15 to 19 inches high. So if we make the cubic measurements, it comes to around 2.7. And then we have this canopy, which acts as a barrier for sound, smell, and any accidents happening which gets out of control. We know that the sizes of the bags are 10 by 10, and for the P it is 10 by 5 inches. And here we have an ample space for urination for male and urination assembly for males. So we go to the next slide. Here is an exploded the bag is unique. It's got zippers, resealable, clear plastic. It has innermost flaps from where the air is taken from here and brought to the first flap, and that is directed downwards in this connection in this scene, and it goes round and round. We use mini air pumps, electrical, creating circular airflow, convection. It has a Marangoni convection effect, and we use the same air because we don't want to increase any turbulence in the system. We try to have as much of annular air rather than turbulent air in this bag. So that's why we are recirculating. We do not take any air from outside. Here is the same bag with mini electric air pump. The mini electric air pump can be placed anywhere in the Loo system. So for ease of illustration, the pump is shown to be here, but they can be anywhere else. It needs only to be connected in the right way, depending on the configuration. All these things are absorbent material, starting with sodium acrylate, then we have cotton, and then we have clay, maybe lubricants are there, these blue things, and then black items are bamboo charcoal, which good for absorbing gases and other things. We might also put some sort of pumice stones, which also have a lot of air absorption capabilities. And we have the measurements here is 24 inches long. The toilet, here is the main poo area, which has a diameter of around 5 inches. And here is the pee stations for male, pee station for female. The sitting positions can be squat or straddle position. It is adjustable. 15 to 19 inches we have assumed, but it can be anything the NASA management thinks is appropriate. Here is the width, which is around 10 inches of the toilet. Here's the bag, which is taken down from downstairs. The skirt can be put inside, which is done here, and so it can be sealed and resealed anytime. And it has got a multiple layers of plastic flaps, of various sizes. They are cascading down. The smallest one is outside, and the longest ones are at the back. So they make an excellent trapping mechanism for water, liquid, urine, and vomit, diarrhea, and stool. Here's the same one, and here is another view of the bag. Bag is very critical and it's made with a lot of ingenuity. Here are the bag also contains hydrophobic valves so that no water can get out in this circulation. Hydrophobic valves are easily obtainable. They are, and also there is unidirectional valves in the system. Thank you for watching.